Project Content Scheduler. In today's tutorial episode, we'll be covering Admin Dashboard. We'll be going through the steps of adding and removing a user, as well as modifying account roles and access. Note that only administrator accounts can access this section. We'll dive a little deeper into that later in the video. Let's begin. First, navigate to Admin Dashboard by clicking on the left navigation bar. This is where you can view and manage all account users. You can see their account information, such as their email addresses, their name, and account role. Let's say you had wanted to add someone else into your account, say an intern, to have them manage the sign schedule for you. This is how you go about adding a user. Click on the plus button at the bottom right corner. To add a user, all you have to do is input their email address and select the account role you want them to have. A user account in this case has the least account permissions, the most basic access. Users have sufficient permissions needed to manage the sign schedule properly, such as adding and removing content from the schedule, as well as being able to import and upload new content files in the files section. But that's about it. An admin account, on the other hand, which is what you see right now, has total control over the sign. In addition to scheduling to your sign, an admin has full permissions and control to every part of the account. They can add and remove a sign profile, add and remove users, but aside from just adding and removing, they can also make changes and modifications to all these settings as well. Once you have filled everything in, click on Invite and the account will be created. What this does is an account creation email will be sent to the invited email to have them set up their password to complete the account setup. Once this is all done, the email will be their username for account access. Next, you may be wondering how to remove users or change account permissions. That is very simple as well. Simply click on the three-dotted button next to the user you're wanting to make changes to. You can see that there are two options, Edit Role and Remove User. Let's go through Edit Role first. Click on Edit Role and select the new appropriate role for the account. In this case, let's change him to an admin. Click on Save to complete this role change. A feedback label will pop up on the top right corner indicating a successful change. To remove a user, click on the three-dotted button again, but this time select Remove User. A window will pop up asking for confirmation. Click on Confirm to fully remove the user. And notice that the user has been fully removed. That's it for this tutorial episode. I hope this has been insightful and easy to follow along. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next episode.